Good morning, student. Welcome to the online class of Moral Science class 3. We are going to continue our online teaching of moral science and we are going to conclude with final examination. The lesson is the success mantra. Let us read the success mantra. Children, please open your moral science book. This is your moral science book. Please take it out and we are going to study the lesson, the success mantra. Let us read the story of Sagar, who is the beginning, beginning tired to escape from a competition. Sagar and Sandeep studied in the same class. Both of them were good at sports. School annual sport meet was underway and they were made captains of two different groups. Sagar was better than Sandeep in many fields. This made Sandeep very gloomy. This chance of winning seems less. He went home downhearted. On reaching home, he went straight to his room and lay down on the bed. His mother noticed this and made a cup of coffee and giving it to him, asked what had happened to him. He said that he wasn't feeling well. Then you go out and play, said his mother to cheer him up. But Sandeep didn't want to go. He thought there is no way to beat Sagar's team in the competition. I better not to participate in it. If I practice, I will fail and it will be a disgrace to me. Children, there are two friends, Sagar and Sandeep. And Sandeep is feeling very disheartened because Sagar is winning in the competition. And Sandeep is thinking that he will be a disgrace for his team. Then he remembered about the homework. He did it half-minded. By 6 o'clock, his elder sister Simmi came back from college. Normally, Sandeep would go and greet her, but today he didn't care. He saw Sandeep very gloomy and went to his room to find out what was the matter. So now, children, Sagar is doing his work and his sister Simi is coming to see him, and Sandeep would greet her, but today Sandeep is not feeling good. She saw Sandeep very gloomy. Sandeep is gloomy means sad and went to his room to find out what was the matter. Sandeep told her about the competition. Sandeep told his sister about the competition and how difficult it was to beat Sagar. She told him and that we should not participate in the competition to win, but to have fun in the competition. Now, children, the sister is motivating Sandeep that we go into a competition not to win, but to participate and have fun. She is motivating Sandeep. Her words went enough to console him. Simmi left him alone feeling sorry for him. Sandeep became more restless. He went to bed and lay down. While lying on the bed, he happened to see a spider trying to weave a web at the one corner of the ceiling. It would jump from one side to the other but would fall down to the ground. Again it would climb up the wall with much difficulty and jump. So children, Sandeep was watching something when he was lying down on his bed. He saw a spider coming out in the he is winning a web and he is falling down, and again he is making his web and again he is falling down, but he is trying and jumping all the time. Thus the spider fell down several times, but each time instead of giving up, it would climb up and jump again. This captured the imagination of Sandeep. He thought if he were the spider, would he do like that? Suddenly, wisdom dawned upon him. He understood that to be successful, one need to struggle constantly like the spider without losing heart. He decided to practice regularly without losing hope. For the next morning, to start with, he made a work plan for the practice and a method to cheer him up. His team, with continuous practice and good coordination, his team finally defeated Sagar's team. So, children, here we see that Sandeep got motivated by the spider, and he thought that if I was a spider doing the hard work and struggling, constant struggling, when you do to achieve something, children, you will surely succeed. And this was the same condition with Sandeep. He was doing hard work with his team, and at the end his team won the match. So children, I hope you like the success mantra. Please go through the video and try to understand. Thank you children.